Alright, we're playing a little game that we kind of made up ourselves, and it is Jeep Hummer Beetle. So Beetles are 1 point, 2-door Jeeps are 2 points, 4-door Jeeps are 3 points, and 4-door Jeep truck are 4 points, and the Hummers are 4 points also. No, Hummers are 3 points, but if it's a military Hummer, it's 4 points. You got to get to 21, and it's got to be exactly 21 points. If you go over, you go back down to 12. And if you call something wrong, then you lose 2 points. So far, I've won, Daniel's won, and these guys are trying to play against each other.
This is too hard, Dad.
Yeah. Jeep. Truck.
Jeep truck.
7, 4 points.
My leg hurts. Yeah, me too.
I think you got it.
Actually,
it's right there. Alright guys, what's up? We are at Universal Studios today. We are here in LA because we are going to the RAMS Stadium tomorrow for Jared's Epic Blaster Battle. We have the whole crew here this time. We got Darian, Aaron, the family. We got Daisy, Damian here. They're over there taking pictures with Bart. So we're gonna start heading over there. Like I said, it's gonna be tomorrow from 6 to 10. And we're gonna have a blast over here just like we did in Texas. But right now we're just hanging out, checking out some rides here at Universal Studios. See you guys. You know what? It's been pretty fun. Got soaked on the Jurassic World ride. The Mummy ride's always amazing and fun. We're having a good time, man. Good time. All right, we're gonna be watching WaterWorld. This is one of our favorite shows to check out because it's pretty awesome, all the action that goes on. It is the last one of the night. That's why it's so packed, but we're gonna still get in there, have some fun, maybe even get wet.
See, color green? This right here, it likes water. The color green, this color right here, likes water.
Look at him.
You're not gonna ruin my plans to try landing. Mutated freak! You're a freak!
My shoes are so
Yes, dude, when the plane in, I was like, oh no. But good thing it didn't get hurt. When I saw the plane, I was like, oh hell no. When the jet ski.
What's up, Dominic? How are you?
Hey, let's go in the movie. Jet ski. The jet ski.
You're so cold.
The jet ski.
You guys like it?
Dude, that was so
You like it, Dominic?
When I saw the plane, I was gonna slide.
Night going. We gotta get ready for Jared's epic blaster battle tonight at the RAMS Stadium. We gotta heat up, get some energy going. Yeah, we're not texting anymore. Yeah, we're All right, guys, we just got done heating. We're about to get my car. What? What? What happened? Oh no! What's up, guys? We are about to go into the stadium here any minute, and we're gonna check out SoFi Stadium, be able to go down there, get everything set up. They got the VIP, ultra VIP folks going in right now. We'll be able to hang out with them for a little bit. The event starts at 6. Just ready to have some fun. LA. So we just went through security. Kids are a little upset because we couldn't take the football in there to play a little bit of catch. Not like Dallas. Dallas was a little nicer to us.
Dallas is better.
But it's cool, we're here. Checking out the RAMS Stadium. We're about to go down to the football field. Have a little NERF battle, xshot battle, blaster battle.
Damian and Deion in motion. Deion, get up here, get up here. It's not the get up here. It's not the take down the Deion show. And how many squads are there? Give it up for Damian and Deion here. All right. Now this is a very first one.
show you right now. What happened?
Got shot.
How you feel?
Good. It's just kind of hard to shoot people.
Have you got hit yet?
A bunch of times I hit in the ear real bad.
Hey, you guys ready? Have you shot people already? Where? Where have you hit people?
Like here.
Everywhere?
Yeah, but somebody hit me like cheek.
Wow, you're wearing a mask.
No, like in the head.
What's up, dude?
Say what's up?
With the selfie game?
Just stand over here.
You come in the front right here, buddy.
Hey. Trying to get both of them
All right, guys, it is 9:41. There's about 20 minutes left to the event. And Dominic is still going strong. I don't even know where he's at. He's over there. He's still picking up some ammo. So far, it's been pretty fun here in LA. We're glad we came to it. So, yeah, we got 20 more minutes to go. Let's see if we can do some more running around. This is the green room where we're putting our stuff in here.
And then I have
Let's go talk to Jared real quick so we can get on out with a successful event. Let's go. How do you think it went in LA, being the first time?
Fantastic. You know, being absolutely real, compared to my first event in Dallas, this is, you know, much larger, more than 1,000 more people than that. Like, we built a little bit of a machine at this point, and people are catching on to it. So now a whole new market in California knows about it. Texas has been knowing about it. And I think the next question is, where's next? Phoenix. Phoenix
backyard. Bring it to my backyard.
Phoenix hits all of my points. They got a roof. They got AC. Thanks for being a part of it. You
Oh,
guys
love
are great
it, man.
fans.
Love
Having you guys out. I
We
appreciate
love
it.
it. Thank you. Hey, great event. A lot of fun. Glad I came. Glad the family came.
AT&T Stadium.
And
like on a game day.
let's go eat.
Morning. We're vlogging again.
Every day.
You know, anybody's watching on YouTube right now, this is the first time I've ever been shown without my hair fixed on YouTube. So here it is. It's Jared Uncensored.
Finally home?
Yeah.
What'd you think about the trip, Deion?
Perfect. I'm gonna go jump in the pool. First, I gotta get the luggage though.
Trip overall, I think, was a success. We had a good time. A little tired from the drive this time. Actually, I had to drive. You know, hopefully they do it again. Hopefully they go to LA again, because I think we had a pretty good crowd. He talks about having one here in Arizona, hopefully. So that'd be pretty cool, having it in our own backyard, and kind of get our own Arizona crowd out there. So, but overall, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 on this one. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And Daniel, thank you for the help, man. Appreciate the filming and the quality editing. So until next time, peace.